The Camp Nou construction has just taken another major step forward, and this might be one of the most important phases we've seen so far. The compression ring is expanding rapidly. The third tier is almost complete, and multiple areas of the stadium are now moving at full speed. And in today's update, there are some very interesting developments you definitely don't want to miss. The compression ring continues to advance at a strong pace, with a new section successfully lifted and installed, bringing the total to around 12 segments. The structure is now clearly extending toward the south goal, with crews working on precise alignment between radial beams. Each section is carefully positioned using cranes and secured with high-strength bolts, indicating a stable and consistent installation rhythm of approximately one section per day. The south corner continues to show steady progress, with beam preparations and anchor markings clearly visible for upcoming structural support work. At the same time, scaffolding is being installed in the remaining third-tier gap, indicating that the final seating section is now approaching completion. Minor structural adjustments are also ongoing in the surrounding areas as the work moves into its finishing phase. Radial beams are already installed in multiple zones and are playing a key role in supporting the compression ring expansion. The alignment process between beams and ring sections is being executed with high precision, using guide ropes and manual adjustments. Workers are ensuring that every section fits perfectly into the beam connections, which is critical for overall structural stability. The third-tier seating is now almost fully completed, reaching around 99% progress. Only minor finishing elements remain, mainly in concrete detailing. Structurally, the entire upper seating bowl is now visible, and one of the final seating sections has recently been installed, confirming that this phase is entering its final stage. Work inside the VIP ring is progressing steadily, with active development of internal spaces. Teams are installing electrical systems, routing cables, and building interior divisions using steel frameworks and drywall. Additionally, ventilation systems and service infrastructure are being integrated, showing clear progress toward functional completion of this premium area. The Tribuna sector continues to progress at a slower pace compared to other areas, with no major new structural additions visible at the moment. Concrete surfaces remain exposed, while work is mainly focused on beam connections and preparation for future installations. Some minor activity can be seen in support elements, but overall, this section is still in a transitional stage with limited visible facade advancement. In the north goal sector, the third-tier installation is almost complete, but several gaps are still visible. These gaps appear to be intentional, likely left open for crane access and material movement. Some structural work, including column concreting, is still pending, indicating that this section is close to completion but not fully finalized yet. Work on the parking area, specifically Phase 3, is focused on ground preparation. The surface is being leveled, and new layers of soil are being added to achieve the required height and alignment. No structural elements are visible yet, suggesting that this phase is still in the early groundwork stage before further construction begins. So overall, the project continues to move forward with steady and visible progress across all key areas. With structural work advancing and finishing phases gradually beginning, the stadium is clearly entering a more defined stage of development. That's it for today's update. More progress is expected in the coming days, so stay tuned for the next one.